Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make an egg and your coffee in the same coffee pot, which will save you on dishes and energy. So what I'm going to do first is I am going to take the egg and place this down. Alright, and right here I have my coffee machine. And I'm just going to open up the coffee machine and I'm going to take the water. Right here I have 10 cups because I'm going to make a fairly big pot of coffee. I'm going to pour the water in the top of the coffee pot. Now make sure you pour all of the water in the top of the coffee pot. Next, I'm going to take my eggs. I'm only going to cook eggs, one egg right today because that's all I'm hungry for. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the coffee pot and I'm going to put the coffee pot into place. Next, I'm going to put the filter for the coffee in there. And then I am going to pour my coffee into the filter how much I want. I want a lot this morning. So I'm going to pour the coffee in there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and set this. Close it and get this started like that. Alright, when the pot is full, you're going to wait for about 12 to 15 minutes for the egg to be completely done. In the meantime, you can do things such as making toast. And then you can take the toast, put it on the plate, let it cool slightly while you peel your egg. After about 12 to 15 minutes, you're going to go ahead and take the coffee pot and you're going to go ahead and pour up some coffee, like my black, like that. All right, take a sip of it. All right. And then what you're going to do next is you're going to take a spoon with some holes in it, right here. And then you're going to fish out the egg. All right. So once you fish out the egg, here it is. It has a slight color of coffee to it. You're going to set it into cold water like that. And this will help with the peeling of the egg. And so once I set it in the cold water, I'm just going to simply tap on it on all sides like this. I'm just going to take the egg and peel it like this. Dip it in cold water if it's not peeling properly. And that's how you make an egg in a coffee pot. And then serve the egg with toast. Let me know if you have any questions.